Hey Johnsonville, it's me Mason, and today I've got for you this amazing dish. It came from my dad, so basically it's a Johnsonville curry recipe. So what we did was we took Johnsonville brats, we put them in the amazing Johnsonville sizzling sausage griller. I love that thing, I use it every single time I make sausage. It just works so phenomenal, cooks it perfectly, and keeps the nice snap on the outside. Basically what it is a hot mango Johnsonville brat curry, so to speak. And my dad had the idea, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do that. That sounds really good. So what's in it is Johnsonville's original brats, some curry sauce, obviously, because it's curry, and then it has saffron rice. This one also has a mango chutney in it, hot mango chutney, grilled bell peppers, and grilled onions. And it's on a piece of naan with a little bit of green onions on top. And I'm really excited to try this. Let's stop talking to dig in. That's really good.
So is it that good? It's not good. It's non-good. It's very good. He's good.
No, I'm just messing with you. This is delicious. I love this. It's got a whole bunch of Middle Eastern flavor. So if you don't have a sizzling sausage griller, you need to get one for the winter months, so then you can have perfectly barbecued sausage. You don't even have to go outside. It's that great. Well, unless you want to take your sizzling sausage griller outside, but why? You gotta grill outside. And you can even use it during the summer when it's too hot and you don't want to be outside at the grill. This is delicious. With the mango chutney, it's sweet and spicy. It's a perfect pairing. I would definitely use this at any game day. This is a great recipe. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And also subscribe to me on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an good day.